Hello everyone and welcome back. Sam here. Again, and today I'm going to share with you a remarkable arbitrage strategy for Xpreet that I have personally been using. For the past year, I'll explain to you why I believe it to be the most effective way to generate substantial profits regardless of market conditions, whether the market is bullish or bearish. So let's get started. This strategy capitalized on the increasing popularity of Xpreet, which skyrocketed after its developers successfully defended themselves in a court case against the SEC, resulting in Xpreet being officially recognized as a non-security token early. In 2024, the surge in popularity has significantly increased the volatility of the XP2US trading pair, leading to price discrepancies between different platforms as high as 9%. We will use these price disparities to generate our profits. To find platforms with the largest price differences, we'll be using Xpreet Price, the official monitoring tool created by the Xpreet developers. I've been using this tool for research since 2021, and I found that Xpreet Price always has the latest data from all the major exchanges. You could find the link to Xpreet Price in the video description. Now let me show you, using my own example, how this strategy works. Step 1. Go to Xpreet Price website, scroll down to the Xpreet Market section, then click on Price to sort platforms by price from highest to lowest. As you can see, on some platforms, the Xpreet is significantly higher than on others. Just take a moment and compare the price with the trading platform you usually use. Step 2. Select the platforms where the highest Xpreet price is currently available and sign up there. I recommend always double checking the prices before you start your arrage cycle, as they can change throughout the day. Step 3. Purchase Xpreet at a lower price from any high liquidity platform. In my example, I bought 1745 Xpreet or STIS $115,000 budget on Binance, but of course, for beginners, I recommend starting with a smaller amount during your first few cycles. Step 4. Transfer Xpreet to the platform you selected earlier in Step 2, and make sure to include destination tag in the transaction. Step 5. After the Xpreet arrives, go to the spot trading page on that platform, select the Xpreet USD pair and sell your Xpreet there at a higher price to complete the cycle. In my example, I sold 1745 Xpreet for 1,653 USD, which is approximately 99.5% higher than the purchase price on a high liquid exchange. After deducting the exchange fee, the final balance was 16,481 USD, resulting in a profit of $1,481, and it only took me 10 minutes to complete this cycle. That is incredible profit, right? So now we can repeat the cycle. Just transfer the USD back to the platform and start to process all over again. For faster transactions, I recommend using the Track20 network. The fee is just $1, and it's quicker than other networks, making each cycle even more efficient. As you can see, this arbitrage method is super simple, and even a beginner can profit from it using the right tools. Unlike futures trading, there's no risk of liquidation. We just buy low, sell high, and the profit is easily predictable without depending on chance or market unpredictability. That's all for today's video, so give this strategy a try and find out your own arbitrage methods to find the best rates. Use monitoring tools like Xpreet Price or any other, and I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. If you found it informative, smash that like button, and if you want to stay updated on new arbitrage methods, be sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell as well. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next